Welcome aboard this beautiful new 2025 Jeanneau Sun Odessey 410, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Sun Odessey 410 is a performance-oriented cruiser that masterfully blends innovative design with cruising comfort. Designed with performance in mind, the Sun Odessey 410 boasts a powerful hull inspired by the world of sailboat racing. This high-performance sailboat has innovative design features to improve cruising efficiency, effectiveness, and security. The hull design features a reverse bow and full-length chine, enhancing performance by reducing drag and improving stability. This design is well-balanced and easily sailed, and the twin rudders provide additional control and stability, making this vessel responsive and pleasing to helm. A long, graceful waterline delivers an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailors will appreciate. The Jeanneau Sun Odessey 410 stands out as a versatile and well-crafted yacht. Its combination of performance and comfort makes it suitable for a range of sailing activities, from family cruising to more competitive pursuits. Boarding the 410 is safe and easy from either the power fold-down transom platform at the stern or from the side gates on the wide and clear side decks. On deck, the walk-around cockpit design offers a unique feature where the side decks slope downward to merge with the cockpit sole, facilitating easy movement from the cockpit to the deck without obstruction. The wide stern fold-down transom platform and stainless steel stern ladder provides excellent access to the water. The cockpit is equipped with twin helms and a fixed table with fold-down leaves that include an insulated cold storage bin. This cockpit is secure and comfortable while cruising and transforms easily into exterior salon or sun deck while at anchor. At the helm are beautiful leather-wrapped stainless steel steering wheels. Maneuvering, anchoring, and docking are simplified and effortless with bow thruster and windlass controls, along with Raymarine chart plotters at the helm. The port helm has an additional Raymarine chart plotter. Within easy view of the helms, mounted in the center cockpit is a Raymarine instrument and autopilot controller, along with cockpit lighting controls and controls to operate the power lifting transom platform. Harken primary winches are mounted in easy reach of the helm. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to an easily accessed and controlled Harken electric winch. The innovative walk-around deck features an open path from the cockpit to the side decks, making it exceptionally safe and easy to move from the cockpit forward. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the quick windlass and the handheld controller, which is stored safely below a deck hatch. A high aspect mast with its end mast furling provides a powerful and safe rig that is easy to operate in a wide range of conditions. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable. Once below, you are greeted with a warm, bright, and inviting interior, while the sizable saloon is bathed in natural light from the many hatches and ports. The Jeanneau salon offers excellent seating options and a sizable table that has more than enough room for meals and entertaining guests. The salon features a central galley that is both functional and offers ample storage. There is ample counter space and a fiddle is fitted to the counter edge for security in a seaway. The large galley offers a double basin sink, a 2-burner stove on a gimbal, microwave, and a sizable, easy-to-access refrigerator freezer that has a countertop opening and a door on the front giving access to items at the bottom of the refrigerator. Additionally, there are many innovative storage options on this Sun Odessey. The navigation station has a dedicated seat design and a spacious desk which lifts up to access even more storage. The navigation station includes breakers, VHF radio, and fusion radio. Moving forward, we enter the spacious and comfortable owner's stateroom, which has easy access to the bed and has multiple hatches and ports, allowing an abundant amount of light to enter and provide an amusing view from the cabin. There is a significant amount of storage space in stand-up closets both on the port and starboard sides of the cabin and features a cleverly designed sink. The port windows are equipped with sliding shades that can block out all of the sunlight. The Sun Odessey 410 has 2 large aft cabins that are bright and comfortable spaces that have excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. Just like the rest of the boat, there are beautiful and handy light fixtures and plugs that feature USB charging for all your electronic devices. Bright, spacious cabins enable you to savor moments of privacy and rest. For owners or guests, these cabins are the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. This vessel boasts a large and very functional head that is right off the salon, with a beautiful sink and electric toilet. The large walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and folding plexiglass shower door. The Sun Odessey 410 is equipped with a Yacht 45 horsepower diesel engine with shaft drive. This vessel is a testament to Jeanneau's commitment to blending cutting-edge design with practical cruising features. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Sun Odessey 410 strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view this Sun Odessey 410, contact Little Yacht Sales.